some clothespin for you.
Me say, yesterday when me a wash and me a pin out on the line, me say one big idea come to me when me a use the clothespin them, you know.
You ever have some strange idea, you know me?
Yes, but you know, say, as a teacher, you have to be creative. And that is just me. So, me I go use the clothespin them to teach one lesson.
How you go do that? You mind you make Calvin come take off the clothespin from my line, you know? Show me how you go do it. What you go do, man?
Alright, look here, let me give you a demonstration because I teach kindergarten, as you know. So, I go teach the children them how to count from 1 to 10 using the clothespin because children love excitement in us already. 1, count with me, students. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and go straight down to 10. So that's how I'm counting. Let me show you the addition.
So you teach addition with clothespin?
1 and 1 make 2, you know. 2, you know. 2, you know. 1 and 1 make 2, you know. Yes, I know it. Then it can be 1 and 2 make how many? Or it can be 1 and 3 make how many? Or 2 and 2 addition. And the children will love it because it's different.
Oh, I mean, if you go back to school, you know, teacher, come in know a thing.
But here, no. Look at this. I can teach takeaway. 4, take away 1, leave how many? And ask the students to count it. It's a whole heap of thing I can do with the Listen, man, I don't want late for school. Sure.
Alright, teacher, you're better than technology.
All right.